Bitcoin surged to a record high of $107,000 on Monday. The rally comes after President-elect Donald Trump reaffirmed plans to create a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve similar to the country's oil reserve. The announcement has fueled optimism among crypto investors. Investor sentiment got another boost as MicroStrategy joined the Nasdaq 100 index. The move could attract more inflows for the software firm, which is heavily invested in Bitcoin. Hopes are rising for a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment under the incoming Trump administration. Now, this has further lifted Bitcoin and other digital assets. Bitcoin is already up about 150% in 2024. President-elect Donald Trump, with Softbank Group CEO Masayoshi announced on Monday that Softbank would invest $100 billion in the U.S. over the next 4 years in what he believes would be a boost for the U.S. economy. Trump said that the investment would create 100,000 jobs focused on artificial intelligence and related infrastructure.
I'm honored to welcome one of the most accomplished business leaders of our time, the founder and CEO of Softbank, everybody knows, Masayoshi. Masa runs one of the largest companies in Japan and among the most successful investment and technology companies anywhere in the world, one of the most successful investors in the world. And we've just concluded a very productive meeting, and today I'm thrilled to announce that Softbank will be investing $100 billion in America, creating 100,000 American jobs at a minimum. And he's doing this because he feels very optimistic about our country since the election.
Alibaba Group has said it would sell its Chinese departmental store unit Intime and book a $1.3 billion loss from the deal. Alibaba will sell Intime to a consortium comprising Yangon Fashion and members of Intime's management team for $1.02 billion. Now, this is subject to customary regulatory approvals. The retail giant is reshuffling its business portfolio to focus on its core e-commerce operations. The sale marks a further acceleration in Alibaba's restructuring after the group split into 6 business units last year. Australia's Qantas Airways has said that it has reached a settlement with the Transport Workers Union for compensation of $76.2 million that it will pay former ground workers who were sacked in 2020. The airline will pay the ex-employees through a compensation fund that will be established early 2025. The carrier added that the final amount will comprise of factors including compensation to the TWU and the cost incurred to distribute the funds to individuals. The airline said that the federal court will conduct a separate hearing at a later date to determine where Qantas will be penalized for sacking the individuals or not.